Welcome to another episode of Old School Tech Tutorials. In this episode, we are going to talk about how to make a typed edit document. So most of us, we get these documents in the mail and we want to handwrite them. We print them out, we handwrite them, and we turn them in. And that is perfectly acceptable to do that. But there is a way to make this information typed. You can save it as a PDF, you can email it, fax it, or print it out. So I'm going to show you today a real simple way to edit your PDF documents and actually type in the information. So this is just a typical document that I got from the DMV, and I'm going to use this to show you how to do this because I had to fill this out anyway. So anyway, you're going to start off here at the document name. So we're going to come up to the top, we're going to highlight annotate, and that's going to bring up a menu of all kinds of our annotation options. So let's go to text box. This box with the letter A in it, we're going to select that. And that's what we're going to use for most things that we do. And it's going to give us a text box. You kind of have to look for it. It just drops them on the screen. Here it is here. Pick it up, drop it where you want it to be, and then highlight the word text. And then I'm going to type my name. Oops, helps if I spell it correctly. And then I might not want that right there. So I'm going to pick it up and put it right where I want on the document. Next, we're going to do email. So we're going to click here, come up, grab another text box, and I've already pre-typed that, but there's that there. And then same thing for address. Come back up to the top, hit text box again, grab it, drop it here. 123 Road Street, and then tap outside the box. City, come back up to the top. We're going to grab another text box. Here it is on the screen. Pick it up, drag it right here, and highlight the word text. We'll put some city. And then we are in Missouri, that's where I'm at. And then now, last but not least, a signature. So if you have an iPad, you're just going to click here, come to the top, grab your iPad pencil, grab a squiggly line, and sign. But if you're using a laptop or you do not have a tablet and you have a desktop computer, you can select the scribble. And if you notice, my mouse now looks like a cursor in the shape of a pencil or a pen. So it will allow me to sign. You're doing this with your mouse, so it's not going to look like a very nice signature. It doesn't look very neat. So tap outside. Okay, that's fine. You could do that, but I want it to look better than that, so I'm going to delete it. And I'm going to come up here. And the other option we have here is this signature box. This is a cool little feature in Preview. And you just grab this drop-down menu. And I have created my signature previously, and it is right here. And I'm going to select it, and it just, boom, pops right onto the screen. I'm going to put it right here where I want it on the document, make it bigger so it can be seen by the person viewing the document. And there, tap outside the box, and there it is. Tap inside the box, and again, the box is adjustable. So just put it where you want your signature on the line, how you want it. That could be neater as well. But what if I didn't have a pre-created signature? I would come up here to the top, go back to the signature box, tap the drop-down menu, and I would select Create Signature. So this gives me a few different options for creating my own custom signature. If I click here where it says click here to begin, it's going to ask me to use my mouse pad to start drawing or signing my name. Okay, but just like using a mouse, it's not very neat. So it's kind of hard to read. It's not easy to do. So the other option is grab yourself a piece of paper and write your name. Sign your name on a piece of paper, and you're going to click on this camera button. And you are going to line up your signature there. And then that's it. You're going to take a snapshot of your signature. So I'm going to come back up here again. And I'm going to grab my signature. just by clicking on it. And I'm going to drop it here in the signature box, make it the size that I want, move it, and there we go. So that's it. That's all the part I have to fill out on this document. It looks nice and neat. I can read it. So now I'm going to come up here to save. You're going to go to File. You're going to hit Save. And then if I want to print this, I can print it. I could also save it as a PDF, which we already did by clicking Save to my desktop, and email it to somebody. So that is all there is to it. It's really a cool feature that anybody can use using a PDF editor or even just a simple application built into your Apple iPad, which is called Preview. So again, I hope you've learned and had a fun time learning something new today. Thank you for joining us on Old School Tech Tutorials, and stay tuned for the next episode.